Hey you, it's Sun Jung from Hungry Gopher. Today you'll learn what anti-inflammatory food should you be eating and drinking. So why anti-inflammatory foods? Because they are super powerful and delicious. When I was struggling with my health issues, chronic skin health problem that my face and scalp was raw, red and itchy and smelly, I was very health conscious of my look and I was very shy to go out in public because, my face was red and it wasn't the best look for me. But then the steroids stopped working in 2014. That's when I was desperate to find a solution. And anti-inflammatory foods is a key component of bringing inflammation down in the body. In return, it heals the gut and supports your immune system because 80% of your immune system is located in your gut. That way, you get clear, beautiful skin all naturally. Your joint and muscle pain reduces and your body starts just releasing those fat and you get accidental weight loss without even dieting. And it's even more amazing to find out that I had my mother try eating anti-inflammatory gut healing foods in 2017 when she was struggling with severe back pain that her pain was so bad that she couldn't stand up straight for a couple of hours when she woke up in the morning. And I had her try the gut healing anti-inflammatory foods and she started hiking with her friends. They are 10-20 years younger than she is. And we are at now 2021 and she's rocking and bobbing. So that's how powerful this is. So what anti-inflammatory foods should you be eating and drinking? Number 1, probiotic foods. The foods, they are rich in probiotic. Those nice microbiomes, lactobacillus bacteria, they are alive and well for you and that helps support your gut health and they actually have the power to diminish the bad bacteria in your body. So it'll balance it out for you. So they're the powerhouse for gut health and reducing inflammation in the body. So kimchi is one of the super probiotic foods that you can try immediately and it's super easy to make. There are more than 180 different types of kimchi. So you can try the cucumber kimchi right away, which takes 5 minutes to make. And the recipe you can find following the link below this video. Download top 3 easy kimchi recipes for gut health and you can also find more of my gut healing journey and how I got beautiful clear skin for the first time in my life since I was a child without harsh medication at hungrygopher.com. So where were we? Okay, so number 2, gut healing tea. Now the weather is getting a little bit cooler. The warm tea sounds so nice and of course you can have cold tea as well. But now it's getting a little cooler. The warm tea is super nice. Ginger is powerhouse. It lowers inflammation in the body. Remember your mother made you ginger tea when you have sore throat? That lowers inflammation in the body. Also herbal teas. Like I go to my garden, I pick up oreganos, marjoram, basil. Those herbs are powerhouse of balancing microbiome in the gut. So they are powerful additional ingredient you can add and even make tea with. Simply just putting them in hot water and let them steep. And that's delicious and cozy and good for your gut. And number 3, bone broth. Bone broth is staple in Korean cooking and it's also staple in any Asian cooking secrets because it is rich in nutrient and it's super easy to make. And it's dense in nutrition and easy to digest because the bone, all the goodness in the bones, like gelatin, the bone marrows, and the calcium and minerals are just dissolved in the broth, and it's so flavorful and delicious. I'm getting hungry here. and you can easily make it. So those are the three things, the anti-inflammatory foods that you should be eating and drinking. And you can start your journey right away to heal your gut by downloading top 3 easy kimchi recipes for gut health below the link below this video, or visit hungrygopher.com for more information and try the 5-minute cucumber kimchi recipes. It literally takes 5 minutes doing. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.